That's a lesson learned. That's why I never come at other people normally, because I can understand, you know what I mean? But then, yeah. Yeah, this sponge is done too. This one's been collecting powder really bad in the front side of it. All right, here we go. Well, thank you for accepting my apology and realizing that I'm only human and I didn't mean it. Yeah, it's thick. We need liquids, you guys. I like thick, but the powder's not squeezing right. Would anybody like to help send for liquids? We have Walmart or Target Pine for $8 and some Fabs for $8. And we have Penalins for $3. My sponges can't handle this thick ass paste. I need better sponges for paste, like thick pastes. It's okay. Don't apologize for having a life outside of Clean Talk. Where is my epoxy? Okay, there it is. We need liquid so bad, y'all. Even if it's just some $3 liquids, I don't care. We need something. Oh my God, I'm excited for you, Kayla. Period. Hey. Oh, thank you, Cass. Thank you, thank you. Does anybody want to match Cass's 3 or help send for a different liquid so that we can get some liquids in here? My sponges can't handle this thick ass paste, bro. I need better paste sponges. Aw, you're too sweet, girl. Thank you. Me too, Cass. Don't feel bad. Dang, those lemon cans had a lot of little hard pieces in it. You guys, let's try to get some liquids in before our next round of bombs. We've got one more round of bombs with powders, with cans. Yeah, we can get like enough for like 3 Penalins. That would work. Yes, my girl Kayla has the Apple Pay for me. You can send it to her, and then she'll send it to me through CA. I got a send for some powder from my girl C on Apple Pay, and then for some reason it closed my account down. How many more is going in? There's, I think 8. 2, 4, 6, 8. Yeah, there's 8 more cans going in. And then we still have 3 bags of Ariel for $9 each. And then we have 2 bags of the Hispanic laundry soaps for $6. I cannot say the name, so I'd rather not say it at all. But one of my mods had it typed out in the chat earlier. So the show can still go on, or we could always get some Ariel in here and do layered powder bombs for the last powder sesh. Powder bombs. Our company Aries. I don't know what that means. Y'all, I don't know what that means. Or am I not saying it right? Am I tripping or something? Nothing. What she said in the chat. Okay, RCO Aries. Huh? I think Sponge Junkie's rage baiting me. Look at the pinned comment. Oh. It smells like lemon cans and panelin, pink panelin. Oh. Oh. Somebody sent 5. Who sent 5? Oh, thank you, Lizzie. Okay, so trying to think of what we got for 5. Oh, we can add that with. Oh, we can add that with Cass's. Or did we already add Cass's 3? No, we didn't. We can add a lemon panelin in here. Is that okay? Our curries. I can't say that. So that was helpful and thoughtful that you sent that, but I don't know how to still say that, Sponge Junkie. Thank you, Liz. All right. those lemon cans were very, 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 very chunk pieces. Okay, Yash. Damn, that lemon cans must have been sitting on there for a shelf for ages, to be fair. Oh, gosh. I might have lost some heart, but I feel like I'm winning at life, right? Oh shoot, you know what we don't have in here is a dish soap, really. Damn, I didn't think about that. We went this whole live without a dish soap. Except for that little bit that I put in that was mine. That's crazy. I think this is actually the first live that I've had somebody not send dish soap. That's wild. Actually, like legit, that's the first. I don't know why I didn't notice that until just now. All right, let me go get that lemon fab. Would anybody like to send for a big $7 Ajax dish soap? No. Y'all heard the CEOs and the president. All right, let me see over here. Would anybody like to send for a $7 big dish soap? Hang on. Okay. Tomorrow, Ash. Tomorrow's live will be started out with a dump chat. Damn, that's the first actual cans. No, it's okay. Did we get it figured out or did it not work? Yes, I have Cash App. It's Mama J 12. MAMAJAYY 12. You guys, if anybody wants to help add a dish soap, that would be great. We have big $7 Ajaxes. Sorry, you guys. I've never in my life felt so